I have in my hand a Trotec distance meter. It can measure up to 120 meters and is available with low-cost small parcel shipping directly from freetv.ie. This is actually a very nice product here. Now we have a smaller version of it here, but probably if you're guys who are going to be measuring more than 30 meters, which probably if you're a professional engineer or something like that would be reasonably common, then something like this is super. And the price point in this is still very attractive. What we basically have here, we just have a little stand here in terms of being able to support itself. You can hold it like this. There's a little lanyard that will slip through here, so you can file it through and bring it on your wrist. And then there's a carry case for it as well here. It's really nice. It'll just slip directly into it, okay? So obviously, if you're using this normally with warehouses, something like that, you want to check the length, width, height, maybe the eaves, something of a building, something like that. Well, compared to using our measuring tape, in terms of accuracy and being able to do it by yourself and without a ladder, this is exactly the way you want to go at it. So if I come along and I just want to turn this on, I'll just press the distance button here and it turns it on here, and you can see it's pointing towards me. So I have just tested this in one of our warehouses here. So I was able to pull a distance of 95 meters immediately. No problem picking out the red dot on the wall 95 meters away. And I knew the actual distance from measuring it previously, and it's certainly extremely accurate, certainly within a couple of centimeters anyway. And maybe my first measurement was wrong, maybe it's more accurate than me. If you want to turn it off, you just press the clear button on it here as well. There's a whole pile of buttons here in terms of working out angle, doing volumetric stuff, all the rest of it, and I'm sure it's all fascinating, and I'm sure almost nobody ever uses it there. The point about this is that it will measure long distances extremely accurately here. In terms of what I take in terms of batteries, you actually get a set of 2 AAA batteries with it, or AA batteries, apologies, for it there, and you'll see this little mount on the back here where you can actually just mount it in and hold it on a holder there. So overall we'll say it's quite good. It's needless to say that when you're actually doing the measurement here, you'll be pushing it up to a wall, something like that, so the distance you'll be measuring will be directly off the back rather than the front. So I quite like this unit here. We have a smaller version in it, and we also have some light meters, things like that. So we're just trying to add in some quality, low cost, popular meters like that. And I think it'll be successful for us if you have the right customer mix. This is a good brand and the price point is good as well.